The Easy Lip is a one-time use product. Careful preparation is necessary for optimal performance and durability. Begin by cleaning the application area with isopropyl alcohol. Be sure to test a small, unobtrusive area for color fastness. Before beginning the installation, make sure the application area is completely dry and free of dust. A 3M tape must be installed in an optimal temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. In colder climates, a hairdryer or heat gun can be used to warm the tape during installation. Peel the red tape liner from your Easy Lip and attach starting at one end of your car. Continue applying the Easy Lip to the rest of your car while pressing the tape firmly to eliminate any gaps and air bubbles. Once applied, cut off the excess material with scissors. Your installation is now complete. The Easy Lip can easily be cleaned with soap and water during your regular car wash. Before washing or cleaning your car, make sure to allow the tape to bond with your bumper for at least 72 hours after the installation. If you like a nice glossy shine, apply some Armor All or tire shine to the rubber using a cloth.